Alright, back to the grind for the last week of June. So, sama ko kayo sa mga gigs ko for the last week of June. Let's start off with this gig, no? Sa Manila Hotel noong June 22. So, duo violin lang to. So, ayan, sama ko si China. So, we played a few songs for an architecture event, Mapua. Ayan, tapos June 23, wedding gig sa Patio Buendia. I was supposed to play with a band here, kaso hindi dumating yung band members supposedly nakasama ko. So, nag-1 na lang ako dito. And okay naman, no? Shoutout sa sound system ng event na to kasi they provided yung -1. Hindi talaga ako prepared kasi alam ko may kasama ako. But yeah, things happen. And then June 25 was the highlight of my events though. It was a fun gig dito sa Banyan 3 opening. We played with DJ Dax, no? Usual setup natin sa club, sa Cove. Ayan. So, quartet with the DJ. So, sobrang saya. Ito yung mga view sa DJ booth. Ayan. So, dumating na sila. And I almost fell. Pero masaya yung experience. Ayan yung setup namin. And right after ng set, we were enjoying the music, no? Of the next DJ that was also playing in that set. Ayan. So, kakatas na namin pack up, konting chill bago umuwi. And that capped off the night. So, yung next gig naman natin is with 3rd Ave sa EDSA Siang. Kahapon lang, no? Ayan. So, masaya yung tugtugan. Everything was great. And ang pangit lang talaga sa lugar na yun is parking and traffic. Sobrang traffic talaga dyan sa area na yan. But overall, masaya naman yung experience. Hope to have more gigs this coming July. No? Pero for now, ito muna. And I hope to see you soon with more mini vlogs like this.